Hey y'all, how we doing today? Mike here at Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Today I just wanted to make a video today on my 1990 Ford Bronco. I've never had the top off of it. I just got it from a buddy, and we got to change the quarter panel. So in order to get access to the quarter panel, we have to remove the top. So this video today is just going to be just how show you all the screw points and take off the trims inside, and how we're going to remove the top. So if that's something y'all are interested in, I appreciate y'all watching. Let's get into this. So I'd say the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lower our back window. This one is kind of a pain to get down, and drop your tailgate so we can lift the seat up and get in there to get working on those trims. All right, so on the back seat here in the corner is this little latch. Push that, and this allows you to flip that up, give you a little more room in here. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 Phillips screws. We're going to take those out with a drill and pull these trims off. Alright guys, so these screws are literally just little self-tappers. So we already did 1, 2. They literally come right out. Nothing to it. So I'm going to get all these screws out. Alrighty guys, I got them all out. Let's get this last one. I have a feeling the trim's just like literally going to fall down. So, just like I said, when we take that out, it all just falls right out. Literally all fell down. Wow. So starting from the back corner, we got to get these bolts out here. I'm just going to pan through it slowly as a reference for the bolts. And we got all those in the top, and then back to this side. So that way, make sure your brackets go back the same way, or you're going to have trouble putting your trims on. All right, I got this 8mm wrench. I noticed I've been doing them all by hand, so make sure you do them all by hand. Don't use any impacts or anything, and be careful you don't break your window out. Alrighty guys, we got the brackets. I just bagged them separate this side from driver and passenger. Double check all your bolts. I'm just going to kind of use my back and try to push up on the top to break it loose. Alright, here we go. Got my buddies Brad and Robert with me today, y'all. Smile and wave. All right, anyway, y'all. All right, so the plan is we got 3 people, so we're just gonna kind of use our backs to press up, to just see if we can break the seal real quick. You ready, Brad? 1, 2, 3. Oh, all right.
I need more push on your end, Mike.
More push, dude.
Yeah,
you took
stand up more. Oh, there you go. And then we'll just turtle walk it back.
Yeah. Turtle walking back.
Yep. And then RJ, if you can come right here.
Well, we're way off of the truck, so we got.
That's fine. And then Mike, you can lean it on the truck if you want.
I'm gonna stay here, bro. You can get down.
Dive. That's gonna be rough. All right, Mike, you're good.
I'm gonna turn around. Hold on. Hold on. Here, go on back, guys. Stop right there. All right. I need to get out of here. Ainsley, step back. All right, somebody go on that side. I got right here. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. All right. Now we're just gonna set it on some sawhorses.
Beautiful.
Woo! All right, y'all.
That's good work right there.
All right, we just got it on a couple sawhorses, y'all. There she is, top off, y'all. Wow, that's pretty gnarly. It's different. That looks pretty good. The other side's messed up, but yeah, so before we put it on, my seals look pretty good. I'll probably clean up all this stuff. I'll show you all what we're dealing with. Crushed quarter panel. So if you guys are interested in a video, we're going to try to get this quarter panel off. We got a new quarter panel going to go on. We're going to try to rivet it. So if y'all are interested, hit that like and subscribe button. If y'all have any questions, just send them down below. I appreciate y'all. Take care, y'all. God bless.